Hi, my name is Mark Sylvester with Intronetworks, and I want to welcome you to SIGGRAPH Asia Connect. This network is designed to connect all of the attendees coming to Hong Kong this November. You'll be sent a login and a password. Once you have that, enter it and click the Enter button. The first thing you'll see when you come in is your profile. Now, your profile will have your contact information, and most of this will be filled out, but go ahead and complete it so there's a way for people to get in touch with you. If you want to edit your settings at any time, just click this little gear, and then that gear will give you a lot more information that you can control. Now, what's great about the Intronetworks system is its ability to match you up to other people at the conference. That matching is done here in the tags. So we have 4: role, area, what you're looking forward to, and what you're looking for. So if you look at role and IM, you'll see all of these words here are indicating all the different types of people that are going to be at SIGGRAPH Asia and all the areas and products of interest. So select the things you want. So if you're really interested in, I'm interested in haptic input devices, I click the word and I drag it to the box above. And you can have words on top of one another, or you can have them arranged any way you want. But the higher the word is up in the list, the more matches you'll be made on that area. Now, once you've done all of this, hit the next button, and then there are some more questions to answer. So talk to me about our great conversation starters so people can learn more about you. You can answer the questions why you're coming to SIGGRAPH Asia, and then possibly 3 inventions or what you can't travel without. Again, this is all for people to get to know you a little bit better. You can then upload a picture, put in your Twitter feed, your blog, your company page, whatever you want. You could also create a short little video of yourself. This is all written in Flash, so we use the Flash communication server to do that. That makes a great way to introduce yourself. And then you can put up some pictures. If you've got some shots you're working on that you're allowed to show, upload them here. Now, once you're done with that, you click Show My Connections. This takes you to the pin view, which is, now we've not launched the site yet, so I'm making this video for all of the people who are going to join. But you can see we've got 19 people in here. I'm the center pin, and my closest match is Mark Chavez. Okay? If I click on Mark's pin, I'm going to see all of the words that he selected, and the words in color are the things that we have in common. Now, if I want to send him a message, I just click the Send Message button, and that opens it up. I put in a subject. I can even create a little video to send to him as well using my webcam. And I can also see where he lives. I can send him an email. Just simply click this button. I could see his website. Just simply click that as well. And I can also see how he answered the questions. Once the site gets going more, you'll also be able to see activity, so what people have done in terms of forum posts. So here on my post, you can see activity, and you can see that I have posted a forum topic. So now the way the system works as well is to give you alternate ways to visualize this information. So we can go look at a list view. So here we can see everybody, and you can sort this by title and by city and all of that. We also have a world view. So I'm over here in Santa Barbara, California, and the conference is going to be in Asia. So it's going to show all the people that I have a match with, all the way from up here in Korea, all the way down to the folks that are running the conference down in Singapore. And then finally, there's a tag view. And what's great about this is that it allows you to get in quickly and say, well, here's digital innovator. 5 of the people say they're digital innovators. That might be a person that you want to reach out to and talk to. So how would I find those? I go to Advanced Search, and then I'm going to look at the My Role area. I'm going to look down for Digital Innovator. There it is. And you can select as many words as you want, and you can go in and add as many fields to your search as you want as well. Once you're done with that, click Search. So now it's going to show me those people that are digital innovators. There they are. There's the 3 of them. There's actually also some groups here that would appeal to digital innovators, so you might want to get into those. So there's those 3 people. Now let's go and look at groups. So groups are places where These are birds of a feather groups, or they're special interest groups. So you can easily go in and I see this group, this looks interesting. I click the join button and now I am in that group. Over here on the left you'll see the groups. Now there's two right now, but it's easy for you to create one. Just hit the create button and then fill out all of the information. So you may want to create a birds of a feather group, or probably not a conference program group, but if you're involved in that, you might want to do that as well. And just go through the steps. It's very, very simple. You can go ahead and invite people to join your group. There's also a calendar. So on the calendar, you'll see we've got blocked out the conference and the exhibition. If you have special events, you can just go ahead and easily click to create an event. It's really that simple. Now, you also, there are forums. So we've set up a series of forums that they're not populated yet, but there's announcements, news, jobs, special interest discussions, success stories, and tips and tricks. So if you have a suggestion, you can just click add a topic on any one of the forums and go ahead and weigh in. This is a great place for people to communicate. We also suggest, if you're really interested in jobs, for instance, you might subscribe to the category. And that way, anytime there's a posting in this board, you will get an email about it, and then you'll know that something has happened. There's also a resources area where resources will be posted. Right now we've set one up for navigating Hong Kong and conference resources, and those, if you've got great ideas, you just go ahead, click on that and hit the create button, and you can go in and create a resource. It might be a photo of a great restaurant, it might be an RSS feed from a great foodie blog in Hong Kong, whatever it is, just type it in and add it. Anybody can add to this. In fact, it's going to be much, much better when there is all of this information. The second time you come in, you will see this dashboard, and the dashboard has the ability to display lots of different information. So you can look at your matches, you can look at posts, you can look at forums, you can look at resources, and you can set this up so every time you come back to the site, you'll see what's going on. Well, I hope this short little tutorial gave you a good overview of what SA Connect for SIGGRAPH Asia conference this fall is going to be all about, and how to get the most out of it. So if you've got any questions, you can drop me a note. I'm Mark Sylvester. I'm easy to find in the network. Send me a note. I'd love to hear from you, and have a great time at the conference. Bye-bye.